children, this is Miss Villa here. Welcome to phonics lesson. Today we're going to do on the topic of diphthong ow sound. The OW makes the ow sound. Okay, let's look at your book at page 24. OW ow. OW ow. Let's look at all the words on OW. Okay, let's read together. Ow, bow. Look at the picture. Bow. Next. Ow, cow. The picture of a cow. Next one. Ow, gow. Gown. The picture of a gown. Let's look. Owl. Owl. Ooh, it's an owl. Next one. Ow, tow, town. Picture of a town. Next one. Ow, brow, brown. The color brown. Next one. Ow, crown, crown. The crown, the king's crown. Next one. Ow, clown, clown, clown. Okay, now let's look at the words below. Okay, read one by one. Ow, bow. For ow, foul, foul. Her how, how. Ow, now. For ow, frown, frown. Okay, so you drag it, all the words here, you drag from the right to left. Okay, ow, bow, ow, cow, ow, gown, owl, owl, ow, town, brow, brown, ow, crown, ow, clown. So it's all the OW, the sound is ow. Okay, let's look at your practical book.